Okay, welcome to Copy Trading Business Presentation. I'm your presenter for today. My name is Coach Orly and also known as Captain Sadiq. Okay, so what is copy trading? Copy trading is an investment strategy where you automatically link your trading account to experienced trader, often called a signal provider or lead trader, when they execute a buy or sell order in the financial markets like crypto, forex, or stocks, and your account automatically duplicates that exact trade in real time and proportion to your budget. So, for example, you put an amount, okay, to your account, you invest your money, and there is a master traders in this company that I will present to you, and they will trade for you. Okay, so as we go on, forex trading. So forex trading is the biggest trading industry, daily trading volume over 7 trillion. It operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. It is involved government, central bank, commercial bank, huge funds, corporation, and retail traders. Okay. Major currency pairs include USD Euro, USD JPY. Okay, that is a local money, okay, foreign exchange, okay. But in our copy trading, we are going to trade only the XAU or the gold, okay. So that is our pairs or trading asset, okay, the commodity or the gold, okay. So, welcome to Stratify. The Stratify holds the what we call the network of all the members doing copy trading in this company. Okay, and this guy, Mr. Kenny Norwood, the executive strategist behind Stratify. Stratify is a Web3 affiliate marketing platform. Okay, so under Stratify, introduce the Forex broker, which is the Tag Markets. As of now, Tag Markets is the fastest growing brokers in the world, no, in the universe. Okay, so the person behind in Tag Markets is Niklas Freyhofer. Okay, so this photo I took it in his interview in YouTube. You can see, or you can watch it in the YouTube. Just try to search interview for Tag Market CEO. So he is from Germany. And he said he has no high school degree. He becomes a network marketing affiliate, and then he switched to broker industry and create his own broker platform that is the Tag Markets. Okay, Tag Markets, where traders come to win. Okay, amplify accounts, award-winning copy trading, and one-of-a-kind technology. Tag is the broker of innovation. Okay, under Tag Market, we have the Sonic AI. Okay, the Sonic AI is a copy trader or CopyX on the Tag Markets platform. Okay, so if you make an account to Tag Markets and then you need to create a copy trading account under Sonic. And the person behind on this strategies or the copy trading is Dada Fei. Okay, he is the in charge for the copy trading. Okay, so the trading team, okay, they have the experience, 15 years of professional experience. Okay, so and the timeline, they started the trading year 2011 up to 2024. Okay, they do the trading work with private family offices, institutional clients, no? And then on September 24, Sonic AI Trader team starts to trade privately to test the trading. So they you do only for private. And then last September 25, up today, okay, they go on public. okay, live copy trading in public. So if you make an account, okay, the regular account for amplification of your capital is 12 times, but we have the promotion now for 24x account. If you make a deposit and on this month, your account will be multiply as 24 times, because after the amplification of your account, the balance will use in the trading copy trading. Okay, let's say for example you put a 10,000. Okay, it will multiply by 10, so you will have the capacity of $240,000 to use in trading. Okay, so that is your trading balance. Okay, so the capital will be locked in for 30 days, and after that you can withdraw or you can get your capital. Okay, let's move on. So, the tag markets and the Stratify compensation plan, referral system, influencer program. So, number one is the trading profit. Okay, 70% of your trading profit will go to your pocket or to your wallet. 5% for the traders or the copy trading, and the 25% is divided into uh, all your members. Okay, we have profit sharings, and we have dollar per lot, 10 levels. Okay, that is the lot commission and the leader full. We have also the CPA earnings, cost per acquisition, and the incentive. Okay, number one, so the trading profits. Okay, as I said, you will keep your 70% of the profits. Okay, and the 25% is share up to 10 level deep across the structure from your member of your member of your member. They will get 2.5% of their profit. Okay, and the 5% of trading profit goes to developers. Oh, that is for our master traders and team. Okay, so as you can see here, this is the MT5 trading. Okay, all the traders or the trading history you will see in your MT5. Okay, so what's next? In your dashboard, okay, if you click the withdraw, okay, and you will see your profits. So you click the withdraw here and you will see your profits. Okay, that is your 70% net profit. Same as if you click the invest, okay, you can see your profits. It's already calculated to 70%, and you can reinvest that amount or you can withdraw to your tag wallet. Okay, next is the 10 level profit sharing. So in this at the minimum, okay, the minimum deposit on tag markets and connected to copy trading required to earn bonus. Okay, let's say for example you make a deposit for $100. Up to level 3 you will get the what we call the profit sharing commission. And then if you get the level 4 to level 10, it requires another direct or sponsor. So before you go to letter D, you need to have 4 direct. Okay, so the first three level from your 100 deposit, and then if you have a 4 level up to 10th level, you need to have 4 direct, 5th direct, 6th direct, etc. up to 10th direct, and you will reach the uh, 10th level of 2.5 profit sharing. So that is 2.5, 2.5, 2.5 all together. That is 25% of commission. Okay, and your dashboard, as you can see here, this is the example. Okay, from your Stratify, you can see that on my first level I have deposit 237, and the profit in dollar is 310. So 2.5 of that, okay, that is 7.75. Okay, so I reached already the 6th level. So I have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2.5%, and the total of my profit sharing dated 31/5 to 6/6 of this month. So I got 33.92. Okay, the more you have your members, the more commission you will get in profit sharing. Okay? So next, okay, the lot commission. Lot commission is a fee a broker earns per lot traded. It's a transaction cost that's added when you or a capit or the copy trader open and close a trade. So meaning even the trades is lost, even the trade is win, you will get a lot commission. Okay. Let's say tag markets get $14 a commission as a lot commission to standard lot. Stratify gives 8.5 back to the community and the 10th level structure. Why it become 850? Okay, the first level, you will get $2. Let's say, for example, on your first level, that is one lot. Okay, so you will get times $2, and then second level 1.5, and then 1.5.5, etc. So the total of that is 8.5. Okay, here's the example on the dashboard. Okay, as you can see here, on my first level, I have only 0.8 lots. Okay, multiply by 2, I get 1.59. Okay, so so on and so forth. So the total of lot commission that I get in this date 6/6 to 6/14, I got only 4.9 USDT plus the commission that I show you before, that is 33. So that's all my total commission and profit sharing for this week. Okay. Okay, what's next? So leader for pool 1 bonus and leader fall. Okay, the total of 500,000 deposit, it gives you 1 share in leader full. Okay, so you can see it in your dashboard like this. So this is the amount. In this earnings, you need to have a strongest affiliate line. Okay, and you need to pair. Let's say, for example, this one become 131 $1,000. You need to pair for your other remaining affiliates line. Okay, so it is what they call 50-50 or 50% from your left and 50% from your right. Okay, so what's the next compensation plan? So the CPA earnings cost per acquisition, deposit versus commission. For example, your direct level deposited $10,000, you will get a 1% of that. And the entire network and the second level, they deposit, or your team deposit 50,000, you will get 2%. So how much is the 2% of 50,000? That is $1,000. Am I correct? Okay. Next is the level 3. That is 200,000, and you will get 3.5% commission. Okay, and from the entire network, the level 4, if they deposit $1 million, 5% of that you will get, or you will go, or it will go in your dashboard or in your wallet. So the rule, 50% rule is applied. That means one leg, a max of 50% can be counted towards deposit on tag markets. So that's the same process, no? 50-50. Okay, from your dashboard, okay, from your Stratify dashboard, just click my CPA. As you can see here, click my CPA and you will see the adjustment or the progress of your dashboard. As you can see in my dashboard, deposit by direct is only $117. So it is up to us how we can get this CPA. For example, on level, where is it? On level 2. Okay, if your team deposited 50,000, okay, you will get 2% of the CPA. Level 3, if your team deposit 200,000, you will get 3.5 CPA. Okay, so far my CPA is very, very far. Okay. Anyway, let's continue. And there are also a lot of incentives if you reach the on the top, or I mean if your team, or if you get a bigger investor, and they put a lot of investment, okay, you can get this incentive from the Stratify Tag Markets. Okay, they give a travel voucher, a luxury Rolex, and another luxury Rolex. Okay, silver and gold. Okay, and your new home, family home, up to 1.2 million. But all of this cannot claimable by cash. Okay, so that's the incentive that the company gave to the members. Okay, so another compensation plan is the Stratify Full and Sonic Pool. Okay, first, to see it, you just go to your dashboard and click your Stratify Pool. Okay, so we reached already 2 months from April to May. Okay, on April, we get a 27 pool earning. That is a gift from the company. And last May, we get $17. And the minimum deposit to get a total share is 2,500. So if you reach the uh, single account or of 2,500, you will get a total shares. For example, you have 5,000 here, you will get a two shares. Okay, that is the Stratify pool. And the other pool is the Sonic pool. Okay, so last April, they give us a 90 pool earnings for one share. But this month of June, they give it back again. Okay, but this month we will get only 50% of the full earning per share. For example, the 50% of the 90 is 45. That's the amount that you will get on one share. So it depends on the earnings of our Sonic AI. And at the end of the month, at the end of June, they will compute all the profits, or I mean the 5% commission that from all the members, and they will distribute 50% of their earnings accordingly. Okay, so that is the Sonic poll commission. Okay, now, as I mentioned a while ago, if you start to copy trading, your capital will get 12 times amplify on the platform, but you have a chance to get 24 amplify as a special promotion if you decide to start to your deposit today, and it is valid only till June 30. Okay? So here are the example on your dashboard. For example, you invested $10, your balance will be a 240 trading balance. So that trading balance is not our money. That is only a the multiplication or the amplification of your capital to use in trading. Because if the platform or the our copy trading use only a small amount, it's possible to burn out. Okay, it's easy to lost. But if become amplified, your account or your investment will multiply to 240 and the trading balance is big. Next, so when you are a member of a tag market, they have also you can learn how to trade manually. They have a live session. You can study on your dashboard, or you just open your Tag Markets account, okay, and go to Academy. Now, as you can see here, the 1 million insurance protection, what is the meaning of this? The Tag Markets make an insurance coverage up to 1 million. So every account, they said that every account are insured up to $1 million in Lloyd's of London. You can search the Lloyd's of London if you are doubt on this business, who is Lloyd's of London and why they agree to Tag Markets to give this kind of insurance. Okay, I think that this Lloyd's of London will not what do you call this, will not give these kinds of insurance if they know that the Tag Markets is like a scam platform. Okay, so and we have also a Dubai office. Okay, so these persons, the Kenny for Statify, and I forgot the name. Mr. Raj, okay, from the C1 before, and but still he is still in C1, but not in a management already. And this is our CEO, Nicholas. Okay, so these are the members of the Tag Markets as well. So, update for last May. Okay, as you can see, we have 45 trades last month, 39 wins, 5 losses. Win rate is 86.7. So as you can see here, if you have no, if you have investment from before until last month, I'm 100% sure that you earn in this copy trading. Okay, so the net profit eight is positive 18.94. What is meant by this? For example, your capital make a profits of 89.949%. Okay, so when you invest $100, at the end of May, you reach, or your profit reached to $18.94. So which is better than other banking investment, right? So step how to start in copy trading. Number one, sign up for free, create Stratify, and synchronize your CopyX Tag Markets account. Number two is do KYC by submitting IDs. Okay. Number three, after submitting, you can make deposit a minimum of $10 and or any amount you can afford to lose. $100 minimum to get profit sharing from your members if you want to share the business. Create Sonic AI copy trading account. Download MT5 to monitor trading your investment. Okay, and then number 6 is reinvest or withdraw your profits. Okay, so let's continue. How to start in Stratify and Tag Markets. Okay, when you receive a link from your sponsor, or let's say from me, you will sign up on this picture that you see. You will put your name, last name, email address, and the country that where you from, okay, and then phone number and the password, okay, as shown as the picture. And then after you fill up all the information needed, okay, so registered now and verify or check your email. Okay, so in the email, you have to click the verify account in a color, green color. After that, email verified and continue to log in. After open the dashboard. So if you miss the dashboard or the link for your Stratify, just type stratify.ib portal.io and then use your email, username, and then enter your password and then log in. Okay. So after login, you will see your profile and then scroll up. Okay, scroll up your dashboard and find the registered CopyX. Okay, so after clicking the CopyX, okay, insert password. Okay, your password in Stratify, use it to synchronize your account. Okay, so after synchronizing, you will receive a message that sync successful, and then just check the box and close it and go to your email. Okay, confirm email address. Okay, you have to click this black color, that confirmation from your email address. Most of my members are hard to open their tag markets account because they did not confirm properly in their email address. Okay? So after confirmation, you will see in your dashboard automatically. You will not log in after you confirm. It is the tag market dashboard will open automatically and you will see a picture like this and you have to upload your documents. Okay, uploading documents. First, you have to select. Okay, you need a two valid ID or one ID or selfie. Okay, if you click the select, if you use the national ID, you have to upload the front side and the back side. So first thing to do, just click the browse and look for your picture in your mobile as well as the back side. And after uploading it, you have to click the save. And next is another documents. Just select again and then choose selfie and then browse after uploading it. Okay, in browse you can picture yourself on time or you can upload picture from your mobile and then save it. So after that, you will see in your dashboard that is pending. Okay, but some of our members, they do the live KYC, meaning on the spot you will put or you will upload your screenshot of your, or I mean upload the picture of your ID or your passport, whatever you want to use. And then the second is if you, they request for actual or live KYC, meaning you have to move your face in the camera, and then it's in a matter of 5 minutes your KYC will be approved. But in this way of doing KYC, it is written that your that your documents is still pending for some times. Okay, so after that, just close the portion of uploading documents, and next step is the deposit. Okay, so let's move on. So how to deposit and tag market? Okay, first thing is to deposit. Click the deposit and then click other if you want to put any amount that you cannot see in the dashboard. Other amount, $10 or $150 or 200, whatever, and then you click the next, and then you click again the kind of payment method, which is crypto. Okay, after the crypto, you will click or you will press the submit, and then Tether. Okay, the number 3, and it depends on the network you want to use. But normally, we use the BIP20 or BS Binance Smart Chain because that is the cheapest gas fee. Okay? So after that, copy your wallet address. Okay? So remember that this wallet address has expiration and you need to deposit within 15 minutes before it close. Okay? So after the deposit, you will receive the notification payment found, and after payment found, payment successful, and you can close the deposit section. Okay. Now, how to create Sonic account or the CopyX? Okay, from your dashboard, let's say for example, you receive already the amount that you deposited. Okay, you have to click the menu bar. Okay, as you can see in the photo, there is an arrow there. And then find the CopyX down below. And then find the Sonic. Okay, the details. And then connect your Sonic account. And then you can put now on the investment the $10 or whatever amount you want to deposit, or you want to invest in CopyX. Okay, so after putting the amount, the $10, you have to click the our downward arrow, community token, and you will see the code over there, and you have to put the hashtag Stratify word that is for the promotional account. Okay, and then after putting the Stratify hashtag Stratify, just click verify. And the next step, you will see the hash GUID. You have to type on this portion the promo 24x, and then click verify, and then click these two boxes. Okay, as you can see in the photo, yan. I have agree. It will become green, and then click the copy now, and your CopyX account created. Okay, so that's the how to create Sonic account or CopyX trading account. Okay, so how to check your investment or your profits. So from your dashboard again, you have to go back to menu bar, and then the CopyX, and then after clicking the CopyX, you will find these two head. Okay, that is the follower hub. Just press on it, and then on lower part, you will find out the strategies and the trades. In the trades, that is our daily trading, and the strategies, you will find out there the invested amount and your balance, and you will find out that your CopyX creation is okay, because your $10 become 240. If this happen that become 120, it means that you didn't follow the right way of creating 24x. Okay, but it will earn also, and but only 50% of the 240 or the 24x. It become only 12x. And don't forget that this button, this is the stop button of your trade. So you don't have to click this, okay? But if you accidentally click it, your account will put to inactive. Okay? If you find your active account is no longer there, no active strategies, just go to inactive portion, okay, inactive account, and click again the play button to return your account to, or your investment or your trading capital to active. Okay, so I have so many members that they accidentally close their trading account, so they didn't earn for some times. One of my friend or one of my downline did not earn for 5 days. She find out that the account is no longer in active active account, okay, or active strategies. Okay, so I check her account and I noticed that her account went to inactive. So I told her to just press the play button and your trading account, her trading account will start again as an active strategies. Okay, so be careful. Now, uh, for example, to check your profit, okay, just click the withdraw. Okay, if you click the withdraw, you will see the profit here. Okay, so this is a new account, so available profit is 0. But if you want to see your deposit, okay, just click the deposit and you will find out the 30 days locking period. Okay, and this is the example of the already eligible. I mean, the locking period is already finished in this account. So you can withdraw your capital if you don't want to earn anymore in this investment. Okay. So if you want to add uh, an investment, you don't need to go to do the creation of Sonic or 24X. Just deposit. After deposit on Tag Wallet, just deposit your money or your USDT from Tag Wallet here in this portion of deposit. So it will add to your investment as same as 24X. Okay? So now the last part is you have to download your MetaTrader 5, okay, or the MT5. So if it's up to you if you want to follow the everyday trading, okay. So where you can find your trading account or your MT5 account. So here, this button, the I button, the MT5 details, if you open it, you will see your MT5 account there and the password. But if you need to change your password so you can easily remember, because the password that given by the platform is very difficult to memorize. So you have to change for your own good, or you have your it easy to memorize your own password. So you have to add and create and log into your MT5. Okay, I have a video tutorial on how you can connect or how you can open your MT5 account. And as you can see here, this is the sample of the live trading happen in our copy trading in MT5. Okay, as you can see here, last June 11, this is the trade. So from 7, 8, 8, 8, 9, 10. So this is the trading, live trading of our copy trading account, or the investment or our investment. Okay. So that's all for now. And as your presenter, I cherish always perfect triumph, supremacy achieved, distinction with infinite kaizen. Okay, so I'm your presenter for tonight or today. And thank you for watching. I hope you understand all the explanation that I shared to you. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor. As always said, invest what you can afford to lose. And I hope that you will earn on this company. I'm already 8 months June 11 because I started on this investment platform or this uh, Tag Markets broker. Okay, last October. So far, so good. And I'm earning. Okay, so that's why I want to share this with you. So it's up to you. And if you want to join, just PM me. Okay, I will put on my WhatsApp and my Facebook on the comment section. Okay, so that's all for now. And I'm your captain. Thank you for watching. Ciao.